Hi.
Hi.
Is one? Good.
You want help?
So we thought you guys might like a good fire. We'll light it for Herb and Sabella and Marcus and everybody else. We figured it would give you guys some something to look at, some beauty.
I'm just gonna wait until it gets over there. Hi, Herb. Hi, Sabella. Save. That is my chair.
Yeah, you can take this one.
Was your chair.
Here, you guys come for a walk with me. I want to show you guys all these rocks I made.
What if someone steals your phone?
Huh?
They will. With your phone. We'll find them. If they are, we'll come back. There's maybe like 7 parts where I just kiss at the camera. This is a very nice lighter.
Yeah. We'll have to move the camera here eventually so that we can go down and get a bucket of water. So it won't be so far to walk out to once we want to go.
What's she doing, Ava? Watching YouTube. Come on. Ava. What? You shouldn't be watching YouTube right now. Why not? We're at a fire outside. Okay. What? You can watch YouTube whenever. Not at the fire, though. Why not? Because it's nice. Dad, what's this down for?
That?
What's this?
There was a cover on it before, but it's not on there anymore. It's broken off.
Nice.
You guys want to throw wood on it?
Yes.
Table?
You just sit there watching TV. Should have brought a can of soup.
To throw it in?
Yeah. Oh, it's great. That's good.
just keep on flipping it.
Oh my god, can I have a fire stick?
Yeah, there was a good one here yesterday. But
Oh no, I have a great one in mind actually. Oh yeah. It's not fire stick yet. Oh, never mind.
You can go find one.
I want this one as my fire stick. Oh, this is a great fire stick. Think I could like get it on fire like a torch? Oh, it keeps on like about to go out.
Can you get internet for here?
No.
I was just curious. You used to be able to, but I think they might have changed it as a campground.
It's a smoke stick. Watch those cars come over here, and it's like that guy from the last time.
Yeah, well, he's not going to put it up, so.
No, we're just gonna fight back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go like this. What's up?
Fire stick.
Up his ass?
I didn't say that.
I thought you said up his ass. I was like, oh. I mean, up his ass would work. He would definitely go away. Dad, like my gun?
Oh, I'm very cool.
What? Oh, beautiful hairstyle.
Thanks.
You want fire sticking?
No,
You're just gonna sit there and mope around?
no, I'm not moping.
Alright. Look at this beautiful star I drew. This is amazing.
Very good. Hey.
What?
She said, thanks for the.
I want a lemonade one. Can you open it? What happens if you put one of these in there?
It will explode eventually, but I'd rather drink it.
That'd be really funny if you just. Think I can light fire? I mean, light a wood with the. I bet Oliver will try to smoke some more.
Dad, which one is faster, a motorcycle or a car?
Which one's what?
Faster.
Well, it depends.
Depends
what
on-
kind, but usually motorcycles can go faster than a car. Unless you have like a
Like, unless you have like a sports car, then it's usually motorcycles that go faster. Or like a Mercedes or like a Lambo. Those usually have faster.
yeah, there's different kinds of motorbikes too. There's
Yeah.
like a loud caravan, you know what I mean? Or like a crotch rocket, like a little sports bike that go really fast.
Mo has more of like the louder ones.
Yeah, he's got Harleys.
Yeah. Oh, Dad, it goes pink, like the
Oh, we should have brought that fire magic stuff.
What'd you say?
We should have brought some of that fire magic stuff.
Yeah, there's a couple of packages at the house, I forgot.
Yeah.
But next time, you guys are coming down here.
I'll actually be gone all in July. Ava,
The
that's
rest
like
of
a
it.
month off from me. How good does that sound? So great, I know.
You want to throw more wood on it?
I'm trying to light these seaweed things.
If you grab some that are like up there, that are dried up.
Yeah. What if people think it's fireworks?
That's fine. We're down on the beach.
Well, yeah, but like with when me, Oliver, and Cora lit them off, we made it so that there's now a what, $450 fine? What?
Because I'm on the beach, so
Well, I mean, we let the money card down at the dock house.
that's going down. Yeah.
How do you feel about at the end of the year? Well, not the end of the year. Okay. How do you feel about? Wait, Ava, what day is June 1st? Do you know what? Like if it's like a weekend?
I think it's Thursday. No, Tuesday or Thursday. Starts with a T. I'm
What?
pretty sure. 1 second, let me check.
Okay, because I just know that we have a semi-formal dance on the 1st of June.
Yeah.
And so, I was wondering, how do you feel about
It's
having
on Thursday.
a Thursday, so then we have Friday off because we don't have dances.
Yeah.
How do you feel about a big bonfire here?
Yeah.
Whole class.
Well, I don't care, but I'm not going to be held responsible for
That,
a bunch of people, like a bunch of kids in your class. There's no way,
that's fine.
especially down here.
That's fine.
But I would have a bonfire down here. And, if you come down here, then that's fine.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But like, I'm not gonna be responsible for a bunch of teenagers in the woods at the beach.
That is fine.
Like, it's my problem. I'm not gonna do that.
You don't even need to come, but you are pretty good at bonfires.
Yeah,
What?
I'm amazing.
Exactly. And I'm sure like half of the guys in my class will be like trying to cut down trees to add to that. Probably gonna try taking that one. Put it in the fucking fire.
Yeah, there's tons of driftwood all over the place.
They would definitely try making it like the size of this thing
They'd
though.
probably burn down a tree. God.
Well, they'd probably like try like outlining all of this with wood and then fill it in with wood.
That'd be awesome. That'd be huge.
That would be huge.
That'd be awesome.
They'd probably do it.
You probably put a tree in there.
What?
Just like a whole tree.
No, I'm not even kidding. They're gonna take that big one right there. Like it'll be like 20 of the kids in my class just taking it.
How many kids are in your class?
32.
I have 17.
Well, like half of the kids. Well, not half. Usually we have about 26 or 20, 26 to 28, because there's a bunch of autistic kids in my class, and usually they just go downstairs, or they just don't show up. Like Isaiah and Opal.
We're still recording a video, so let's not talk about it.
Oh shit, my bad.
Oh, I
forgot all about that.
Dad, I spit a gum by your backpack, not meaning to go by your backpack, but it's not on your backpack.
What'd you say?
I spit my gum out by your
Oh,
backpack, but
yeah.
not on your backpack.
Okay.
Ava, you want to bring some of your friends for the
I don't have really any friends.
heroin? Jordy.
Yeah.
Jordy will probably come because Sunny's coming
Yeah.
now. And Erwin can come if you want. Don't.
And Cora will be there.
Cora will be there.
Wait, when are you doing it?
June 1st,
Okay.
after the dance.
Because Erwin wouldn't. Because the next day is Erwin's birthday.
It could be a mini celebration.
Yeah. We'll sing happy birthday to her.
Yeah.
Your whole class. Happy birthday.
We'll get a shit ton of marshmallows.
Yeah. I don't know where you're gonna get the money for the marshmallows, but.
Grandma loves me.
No, she doesn't.
Loves me enough to buy 72 packs of marshmallows.
No, she doesn't.
Now I'll probably like work. Hopefully I'll get a job before then.
Hopefully.
I have to go over here every time I try to plug in. Hi there.
So what'd you think about all my rock stacking down the beach?
I think it's very pleasant.
Thank you. I think it's awesome.
What's awesome?
All my rock stacking.
Yes, very much so. It's amazing.
It's so warm.
Wow, really?
You should throw that piece of wood in and then get a better stick to poke with.
But it's like my little machine gun.
Okay.
Do you see this, Dad?
I saw it.
No, you don't see right up.
Yeah. I see it.
I want to put it right on top.
Look how weird my middle finger goes.
Yeah, it's crazy. I think you should straighten the nail out on it.
What?
I think you should straighten the nail
You
out
should give
on
me
it.
nails, Ava. You want to give me nails? You have an extra nails?
No.
You should give me nails once we go home. So
I asked you a few days ago if you wanted me to do your nails. You said no.
yeah, but I want them now. You guys want some gum?
Yeah.
It's easy.
5.
5? Okay. You have to do my nails now.
Okay.
Well, it's so pretty. It's so
pieces.
How many did you want, Dad?
3 pieces.
5 pieces.
I'll have 1 piece left.
Okay.
3
4
pieces? 3 pieces.
3.
And then I get 3.
I think 3 is the right amount.
I don't eat them all at once like you.
That's pretty good bonfire.
Mm-hmm.
I love it when you can see the lights across the water start to blink like the towers or whatever.
Yeah.
Cheers. Do. There you go. So they feel included.
Mm-hmm.
File your nail. File your nail.
So, here's one thing.
So,
Get a shit ton.
If the fire department shows up, you guys are on your own.
Okay.
yeah.
Ava, we go that way.
No, we just protect and scream.
Yeah.
Ah!
This is our right.
What? That's a weird thing.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. Like a moped?
It, you know, like those bumper carts?
They have a bumper car. That was like orange or yellow.
Yeah, that was also tall. Oh, it's a motorcycle.
That's one weird motorcycle. Looks like a mini school bus.
Yeah.
Okay, here's what I'm thinking. What's something really good for a fire? We're gonna... Dad,
Colorful stuff.
how much does the magic fire cost?
We have some at home.
Each? Okay. We need approximately $300 worth.
Why?
No, I'm saying $30. So that's like 10 of them. Yeah?
For what?
For June 1st. Big Fire.
I'm gonna be there?
Yeah. You, Erwin, Jordy. Who else do you want to bring?
If I have more friends, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe, I probably won't.
Definitely gonna bring a bunch of
Yeah, bring your husband.
yeah, definitely my
Yeah, definitely. Sorry, I'm making sure no stuff with my drink.
yeah. Okay. So definitely a bunch of s'mores. Not s'mores, marshmallows.
Yeah.
They can make their own, they can bring their own chocolate and graham crackers. We should get sausages. Hot dogs, we just get them like we ask Grandma, can you buy us 54 packs of Costco hot dogs?
Those hot dogs are so good.
We can get a gluten-free pizza on the fire.
Oh yeah.
What else is like screams like bonfire?
Hamburgers. Pre-made hamburgers. I don't know. Make the baked
No,
potatoes.
we're talking about like 10. No, this is at 9. We're talking about like 9 p.m. to like 1 a.m. or something. Like huge. Drinks. So like probably just water.
Is the next day a school day?
No.
It's Friday.
We only have 3 Fridays left and 3 Mondays left, and then like I think 5 Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays.
So how do you know there's no school on that Friday?
I'm just guessing. I mean, it's a something out of something chance. Also, you have an ash in your hair.
I know this fall.
Yeah, it's a over 0.5% chance. I'll have to ask because if it's on a Thursday,
Then there's no school.
yeah, because nobody like our school does not have dances on Thursday, right? Like unless there's no school Friday.
Sorry, Nash just got raped.
Ew.
Crap.
So definitely marshmallows.
Yeah.
Marshmallows. Grandma's Costco hot dogs.
Grandma.
It can be either bring your own bun.
Bring your own grandma.
Bring your own fucking grandma.
You can't come unless you have your grandma.
It'll be like a
Look
little
at them.
sewing group.
Yeah, they'll all yell at each other because they don't believe in political stuff.
No, you're supposed to cross stitch like this.
Jeremiah.
Gertrude.
Gertrude.
Gertrude. That'd be really fun though. I was about to tell you to take a photo of that. Just use your. Oh my god, Ava, give me your phone.
No.
Photos for Instagram.
Can you pass that to me?
I don't know. You want to give me your phone?
Yeah.
Oh no! Look how beautifully I've fallen. Oh my god.
Oh, do you guys like my phone case? There's some other stuff in here, but
I'm
it's
gonna
like
do it.
Will that even upload to Facebook if it's right there?
Hopefully,
we
can
can
cut
upload
it up.
to YouTube.
we'll upload it to YouTube and send them clips.
With my nail file.
My hair looks wank. Is it all staticky?
Just go. I want to be in it.
You wanna be in it?
Oh, well, I take this. No, not this. Pass me the phone.
You have to have one of those. Should I just be like,
Oh, it's really bugging me that my pinky isn't done. Go stand beside the fire.
beside the fire?
Be proud spot in your mouth.
Do you want me to do one of the?
No, point at the fire, like pretend you're like really happy about it.
Get it, queen.
Okay.
Should I do one of the
Yeah, sure.
hair twirl?
Yes.
Let me
An
get a photo.
ash went up my nostril.
Hi. I thought we were making that video for Herb and them.
We are.
Okay. Well, what are you guys doing?
I'm taking pictures.
She took photos of me.
This is my phone. Not yours, by the way. Just saying.
Oh, that's of me. My bad.
Yes.
One of me, girl.
Oh, sorry.
No.
Yes.
No.
You look great.
I think it's about parting. That's a really sexy photo. Oh, you have really sexy photos of me.
Oh my god, there's something in my eyeball. Show the camera your sexy photo. Abby,
What?
show the camera your sexy photo.
We took a really good photo of me. Look how good I look.
Dad, where are you going? Oh.
You want a photo, Dad?
Smile. Beautiful.
Oh, Ava, how much you slay. Give me a photo, queen. Do it again, do it again.
There's something in my eyeball.
Then I got this one.
Okay, wait, let me redo it. This hand doesn't have any. How much can you see my face?
Like your nose, tip of your nose.
Dirt turd. Little boopsie.
Uh-oh. What can I say?
Except you're welcome.
Gotta get in the photo. Come on.
I'm good.
Jelly.
My under eyelashes look so weird.
Uh-huh.
So do my top eyelashes. There, you have a really beautiful photo of my eye now. Look how cute that is.
I'm going for a walk that way to get some more wood.
Okay. Have fun. Love you. Don't get eaten by a bear.
If you do, I'll keep it on recording.
She'll get it on recording.
Hopefully that guy doesn't pop out of the woods there.
Shit, good luck.
Guy that I found in the cliffs down here.
No, it's Dad walking away in the back.
Dad,
Pose.
thank you. Bye.
Love you.
Oh, it's so sweet. Move the trash. No.
You could just run at me.
No, wrong way. Girl, smile a little bit.
I didn't know I was in that photo.
You're not in that one. You're in this one. How did it look? Bro, your eyes look so blue.
Abby, you should move the camera so that you can, so it's going this way now.
That way?
Give me my phone.
Sorry, guys. Whoa, your camera's a little bit blurry. There we go.
Even if you get to set it up against these rocks.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, but you gotta watch out because
And what do we a walk stop?
then you can even start a new video if you want.
Yeah, probably. I'll put it like right there. Oh, that's actually so perfect.